Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another episode and I'm live here in Wa doing food. And today I am doing a good kebab. We are going to sell meat.
Yeah.
Okay. So we cut before we
cut it before you put it for the people.
Right. Can you teach me how to cut?
Okay. By
take the knife.
Okay. All right. Guys, be careful. This knife, they are very sharp. So whenever it asks you to handle it, be careful with it. Okay. So how do you cut the meat? Do you cut it big lambs?
No,
or?
you take
this one.
All right. What do we do next?
Put it on fire.
All right. So
we
fake.
Okay. We'll do like this.
Yes.
And go and put it on fire.
Okay. All right.
So go and put it and come back.
This is meat. Those of you who have not been to Wa, whenever you visit Wa, I'm going to show you how to get to their place. Their meat tastes so good. My first time trying their meat, it was so good. And so whenever you visit Wa, I want you to try their meat. Wow, the smoke. So this is what you go through with the whole smoke?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Okay. Yes. When did you start doing this whole
5 years going.
5 years. Wow.
Yeah.
So did you start from Wa or?
No, we are starting from somewhere before.
So Wa is the capital of Upper West region, and there's more business here. So they decided to relocate to Wa so that they can be doing their meat business. And since they got here, someone gave them a space, and they've been very grateful. And that is how come they have this amazing space, and they've been doing this. Yes. So now that we put the meat on the fire, what are we going to do now?
Now when I done, you go fetch
Yes.
and put it for the people.
Yeah.
And put the spices, tomatoes and albasal, and then yaji, then those things.
Okay.
So that
so right now we are cooking the meat.
Right now we are cooking the meat.
Okay. All right. Okay. Chai, the meat is it's in the cooking process. So
small, it's okay.
Small,
yeah.
Okay, so that it doesn't spoil the meat.
Yeah.
So how do you know if the meat is burning?
No, if fire the color it will change.
The color will change.
And now will be like this, will be what? Be red.
Yeah.
So when I get changed, we'll see how it is.
Okay. All right. So where do you get the meat from?
I'll get them from market.
You go to the market and then
buy the goats.
So you buy the whole goat. And
buy the whole goat.
What's the name of this place?
This place with the guys.
The guys.
The guys.
The guys. So this is the guys meat center. If you are in Wa and you are in need of meat, the best meat, you come to that guy. You said the guy, right?
No, not the guy. The guys.
The guys. No, say it in the camera. Say it in the camera.
The guys.
The guys.
This place with the guys.
The guys. Okay. All right. I think the meat is burning. So let's. So, what is this?
This is the intestines.
These are the intestines. Okay.
That's the intestines.
So, do people eat it?
Yeah. That one self, when I go wrap, we go do them and wrap for the people.
If I eat it, I won't die.
No.
I won't die.
No. This one is fine, Papa.
It's fine. Why do you put salt on it?
No, if you are putting salt, the thing goes sweet.
So you are putting the salt to give it taste.
Then put albachal.
Hold on, let me put salt to it. Just be pepper. Hot pepper.
Yeah.
Ghanaian food are always spicy, so we like spicy food, and this is one method of our spicy food.
Put here.
So everything here, I have to spread. Is it okay? C'est bon. Okay. They speak French here. Some of them are from Burkina. Like from here to Burkina is not far, so a lot of them here speak French. And my small French I know, I'm going to be comment t'appelles and those things. I'll be passing it through so that they can understand. Yeah. Is it? Do I put plenty or small? Plenty. Yeah. Okay. actually the kebab pepper, and let me taste it. It's really nice. So it's pepper that they've mixed with salt, Maggi, and ginger. Then go like this. You know, we are learning the job. This is wrapped meat that has been packaged and is going to go through a steaming process. And so we've wrapped it already with all the spices and yeah. So let's see. Let's put it on the fire and then have it cooked. How many goats do you kill in a day?
2 or sometimes 3.
2 or sometimes 3 goats. Okay, okay. And are you able to sell all the goat before the end of the day?
Yeah, sometimes I will sell.
Okay, so when you sell today and the goat doesn't finish, what do you do? How do you keep it?
I will keep the rest, go put it on the fridge.
Okay, so they put the goat in the fridge. Should this not be able to finish today, they preserve it in the fridge and then they make sure that it is properly kept, preserved, frozen well, and then they bring it back the next day and then they try and sell that one before they bring in new goats. But this place is always busy, so they are able to sell most of their goats, at least they sell 2 or 3 goats in a day before closing the night. So these are all 10 cedis.
10 cedis.
You don't do 5 cedis, you don't do 2 cedis.
You do 5 cedis.
You do 5 cedis, okay. Okay.
5 cedis, 10 cedis, 20 cedis.
Okay. Which of the people put it on the stick?
That one, the work will be having different.
Okay.
Some people like this one.
Yeah.
Some people they like the way they put it for the
stick top.
The stick one.
Oh, okay. 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 All right. So it's the same meat. It's just that everyone has a different way of packaging it. Some will want to put it in the stick and then serve it. Others will want to keep it like this so that you know that old traditional way of having things in the leaf that we eat from the leaf. This is the same tradition they want to bring, but they don't have leaves here, so they give you this nice packaging and then you can still take and then eat from it. Yeah. How different is this from chinchinga? Do you know chinchinga?
I know.
So is this chinchinga?
Chinchinga like the one you did?
Yes.
Oh.
Which one is that chinchinga?
Chinchinga. Me the way they put the stick, you know.
Okay.
If that one we are calling chinchinga.
The one they put on the stick is the chinchinga.
So the English call them kebab.
Okay.
So this one the pepper meat.
Okay. So this is the pepper meat. When it is on the stick, it's called the chinchinga. We are about to get the first meat so that we'll taste and then we'll see how this whole kebab, chinchinga, what name do you know? How do you call this in your local language? I mean, you can leave a comment below. I know you have a name that you call it in your local language. So I know the Nigerians call it suya. So how do you know whether it's cooked?
If you cook,
yes.
If you attach it and see,
yeah,
then you will see here the pepper you will make it slow
soft.
like this. It will make soft.
Okay. So this one is hard. That means
it's not okay. But
yes.
this one is soft.
Yes. So
you
this
know
is
that.
Okay, alright. So can I have this one?
Okay.
Yes.
No, take this one.
I should take this one.
That one be soft.
All right. Whoosh. Whoosh.
It's hot.
Very hot. It's hot. Hot. I like hot food. Whoosh.
What
guys, look at this, look at this.
So, can I take 10 cedis?
Yes, make a take one. I'm just.
Do you want to join me? Come,
take
come.
away.
Come and join me. Okay. Come and taste one. Come and taste one.
I had to see it. I just want to stop it. Take it to heat. No.
One of these should be having.
This be 10. Head. That be head.
Good?
That be here.
I was here for the woman stage. I saw how it was
guinea fowl be 50.
It was done with passion.
Guinea fowl be 50.
And now I'm eating it with passion because it is good.
Fowl be 40. You have 45 and 40.
Thank you for watching this video. If you are new on this page, please try and subscribe. We'll be bringing you more content from around Ghana. around the world,
So make
around
I'm
Africa.
just go straight away.
Take away.
Today, we've done the kebab, or the suya, or the chinchinga. Watch out for the next video. We'll be bringing you more of this. However, I'm going to go back to enjoy my meat, and I'll enjoy it more. Please subscribe. Subscribe, like, share with family and friends. Thank you so much for having us. I've really enjoyed your day.
Okay.
And thank you for teaching me how the whole meat process is done.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.